Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply for an electronic visa or in other terms e-visa for Tanzania. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, we all know that electronic visas or in other terms, e-visas are becoming very much popular and many countries are opting for it because ease in application and processing. So this is the official site, and if you click on visa application guidelines, they have strongly recommended that you read them first. They have also given the processing time and other valid pieces of information, what visa to apply and what are the activities permitted, conditions, and all other things. So they do not require a visa to enter their country. Okay. All right. So you can go through this. Now on this home page, we have an option for new application. So I click on it. So it is asking you to put email, passport number, passport issue country, security question, security answer, then start new application. So I'm gonna fill this and then we'll go to the next stage. Now in the next step, it is showing you your application ID and date, and it is also telling you that save it at a place, because if you save your work and you come back and do it, or if you have any technical issue, you need to use this. So save this, you can take a screenshot and do, but this is sample video, so I'm just clicking to go to the next step. Okay, so here are the steps. First, personal information, contact address, passport information, and then travel companion, document, declaration, payment, and complete. So I'll try to walk you through as much as I can. Let's go with that. First name, I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your situation. Wow, surname is not mandatory. Wow. You need to do as per your case. So nationality at birth, present nationality, all these questions are being asked and you need to do as per your case. You can either click on save and exit so that you can come back later and do, but I go for save and continue. So we go to the next tab. Here, mobile number is mandatory, email. So I'm gonna do it. We'll go for India. Okay, physical address one. Permanent country. So you need to answer as per your situation. I'm just putting some sample information. Anyway, I'm not gonna submit this. Employment status. I clicked on unemployed, but if you're employed, then put that information. If I click self-employed, then this is how. So you need to do as per your situation. Okay, guys. And then we'll go to the next stage. Come for the passport details, where you need to provide the passport information, type, select ordinary, passport number, Place of issue. Next comes your travel information, country from where you are applying. I select India, nearest embassy to handle your case. There should be one option in India, but you can always do Google and find out. Let's see. New Delhi, India. I told you. Type of visa requested. So for tourism, we'll go for ordinary visa. Purpose of your visit, tourism. If this is first time visit, select yes. If not, select no and provide the last visit date details. Travel plans, destination, where you wanna go. Port type, how you are gonna enter. Airport, where you are gonna enter. Port of departure, date of arrival. So I'm sorry. Stay duration, let's say 35 days. Local host information, self, okay. Accommodation, where you're gonna stay. Hotel, provide address. Country resided. Are you traveling as part of group organization? I select no. Are you being accompanied by any minors? If you have, provide their information. Next come information, bio, passport bio page, and applicant passport size photo, and supporting documents. Return ticket they have asked, and any other thing as per your case. Then your declaration, payment, and complete. So that's how simple it is, guys. So I hope you're gonna like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.